the Deputy President. Kindly repeat after me. I,
Kithure Kindiki,
in full realization of the high calling, I assume as Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, do swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Kenya, that I will obey, preserve, protect, and defend this Constitution of Kenya, as by law established, and all other laws of the Republic, and that I will protect and uphold the sovereignty, integrity, and dignity of the people of Kenya. So help me God. Mr. Deputy President Designate, I shall now administer the oath of due execution of office for the Deputy President. Kindly repeat after me. I,
Kithure Kindiki,
do swear that I will always truly and diligently serve the people of Kenya and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, that I will diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office to the best of my judgment, that I will at all times when so required faithfully and truly give my counsel and advice to the President of the Republic of Kenya, that I will do justice to all without fear, favor, affection, or ill will, and that I will not directly or indirectly reveal such matters as shall come to my knowledge in the discharge of my duties and committed to my secrecy. So help me God.
Having taken the oath of Having taken the two oaths of office, His Excellency the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya is now proceeding to the ceremonial table to append his signature to the two oaths, that is the oath of allegiance and the oath of execution of office of the Deputy President. The Deputy President will be guided on signing the two oaths by the Attorney General. His Excellency, the Deputy President, will be signing 3 copies of each oath. The first set of oaths will be retained by His Excellency, the Deputy President, as a solemn reminder of the commitment he has made here today. The second set will be handed over to the Head of Public Service,